Hello, good evening, everybody. My name is Vishvadeep, and I welcome you all on Unacademy Computer Science Channel for unlimited learning. This particular channel is providing you a lot of content for your learning, and today that is another lecture which I am going to present in front of you on hashing, which is also giving you or going to give you a lot learning. So without any delay, let's start. But let me tell you what exactly I'm going to teach you in this particular lecture. Hashing, what are the hashing techniques we are having, what is the hash table, why we call hashing also a data structure, and most important, hashing technique, division method. So without any delay, let's start the session. Before I start the session, let me introduce myself. My name is Vishvadeep. I have written the GATE exam multiple times. I am working as a team leader in Unacademy Computer Science Channel for brands team here. My ranks in the GATE are 19, 119, 440, 682, and so on. I went for my masters to ISC Bangalore, another masters from BITS Pillani, a rich experience in teaching, and these are the courses which I am taking on Unacademy's platform. If you want to learn more for free, then from Unacademy we are providing lots of opportunity for you to learn. What are the opportunities? Free classes, free quizzes, free test series, combat, and lots of things. Look at this. You will have to do only one thing. Just go to unacademy.com or download the Unacademy Learner app and go to my profile. Once you will go to my profile, follow my profile, and you will be able to see my all the special classes. But to unlock all the free plans, free classes, free test series, free quizzes, you will need a particular code, and code is this VDeep10. If you use this particular code, you will be getting 10%. You will be getting 10% discount for the plus subscription, but you will be getting all the free content unlocked using this particular code if you are the new person here on Unacademy's platform. We have free test series also for you, in which we have provided a quality test, and you can check out the questions are really of quality. Enroll, enjoy, and learn from the quality questions. If you are serious about your preparation, if you want to have your career best out of your preparation, then you should prepare the best level to the best level for your GATE exam. And here we have the opportunity for you on Unacademy's platform, which is one of the largest platform, currently the largest platform online of learning in India. So go for Unacademy Plus subscription. What this subscription can give you, it will give you live classes. These live classes will be very interactive, that if you will be learning anything, you will be learning in the more detailed, concrete manner, which will definitely help you solving more questions in your test and in your GATE exam too. Apart from that, if you miss any live class, of course you can listen those in the recorded mode. You'll be having so many doubt solving sessions, you'll be having weekly tests, so that whatever you learn you can apply in that particular manner, in that particular test. You can understand that what is your problem, and then based on that you can improve on your learning. This plus subscription comes in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12, 18, and 24 months. If you are preparing for GATE 22 or 23, immediately take the subscription so that your learning starts early. Otherwise, at the end, you will be struggling a lot. If you are preparing for GATE 21, then take the subscription of 1 month or 3 months, so that your preparation will get the last minute boost. And for the subscription here, use this particular code VDEEP10, which will give you 10% discount. Apart from that, this particular code will give you my mentorship, and this particular code will work as a bridge, as a connection between your preparation and my team's effort. There is a team of 8 members which is providing you entire preparation of GATE computer science, and you can connect your preparation with my team's effort if you use this particular code VDEEP10. Other than that, if you are the person who does not do well in the planning and strategy preparation, then this is another type of subscription you have, which is iconic subscription. This iconic subscription comes with all the facility of an Academy Plus. Apart from that, facility of personal coach. This personal coach will provide you preparation strategy, will provide you the study planning so that your planning will be best, tracking of your performance. You'll be having study booster session. You'll be getting the personalized test analysis so that whatever the test marks you are getting, in those you can improve. Apart from that, you will be getting preparation study material also, practice sets and extra notes also. All these things come under this subscription, which is preparation iconic subscription. Iconic subscription, if you want to go for iconic subscription, it comes in only 12 and 24 months subscription, and for that also, if you use the code VDEEP10, you will get lots of benefits, including discount, including my mentorship, including my team's effort, and including my team support and every single thing. So this particular code is a deep connection, going to have a deep connection. If you want to have a deep connection between your preparation and my team, use this code and enjoy the subscription with the highest level of preparation. These are some of the batches, as you can see, which are going on Unacademy Plus from the top educator of the country on Unacademy. And today itself, yes, today itself, I have started a 30-day course on Unacademy Plus. So if you want to understand, learn highest level of computer organization architecture, if you want to ensure 10 to 12 marks in the gate, come for this course. This course I am going to teach in 30 days up to the maximum possible level, and you will enjoy learning a lot in this particular course. So if you want to join, use the code VDEEP10, get the discount plus get the subscription done, so that in next 1 month you can cover up all the courses. Now let's come to the topic, which is hashing, and in this particular part I am going to talk about the hashing techniques. But before that, I want everybody to be here live, interactive and ready for learning. If you are ready for learning, immediately message me on the comment box, just you are ready, so that we can start the session. Are you ready? Are you ready, my friend? You should be ready for learning. Okay, so till now we have completed the graph in the previous lectures, including BFS, DFS, its implementation using Q stack and all. Graph representation also we have done. Now next thing, hashing. First of all, hashing is a technique which can provide result in constant time. Okay, what kind of technique? What kind of technique? Searching technique. Look at this. Hashing is a searching technique which can provide the result in constant time. अगर ये searching technique है तो sir data structure क्यों? Wait. First of all, let me explain you what is the meaning of hashing. After that, I will come to that point, that why it is called as data structure also. Okay, now the thing is, if you say hashing is a searching technique, how exactly that searching technique works so that we can get the result in constant time? For that, what we will have to understand is, there is a hash table. There is a hash table. That particular hash table is storage for the contents, for the values which you want to store. So this is the hash table. Over there we will store the content. Fine. In this hash table we will be having some locations. Let's say locations are starting from 0 to m-1 locations. These are the locations. So what happens whenever I will be having any kind of key, let's say k, I want to keep that value k into this hash table. How should I keep that value k so that I can search it in constant time? Now learn this from your mom. ये आप अपनी mom से सीखो. Whatever comes in your house, that particular thing will be arranged to its proper place. Let's suppose your father coming from the grocery store and bringing lots of items. Immediately your mom places each and every item to its appropriate place, so that whenever you, your father, any other member of the house, your mother needs that particular thing, you can immediately get it from the appropriate place. जहां रखा वहां मिल जाएगा. It's not like you that you are searching your one of the socks in entire house and you are not getting. Why? Just because it is under your sofa, lying since last 3 years. Right? Understanding? So look at this. There are two types of members. One is your mom, one is you. When you are coming back from your college, school, or somewhere, you are throwing your shoe one here, one there, and socks also somewhere. But your mom keeps all these things on their appropriate place so that you can search it on the time. Yes, same thing is actually hashing. The same thing is actually hashing. How? The thing is, whenever any key, suppose you want to store, you apply some function. What you apply? Some function which we call as hash function. Applying hash function on k gives you a location L. You do one thing, while inserting, keep this particular value k or key k at location L, so that while searching you can use the same hash function, you can reach to the same location, and you can find it that yes, k is present or not present in the constant time. Why constant time? Just because applying this function is a constant time operation. Very simple. Applying the फंक्शन इज द कांस्टेंट टाइम ऑपरेशन. सो हमको क्या क्या मिला, वापस से रिविजिट करते हैं एवरी चीज को, हर चीज को विजिट करते हैं, रिविजिट करते हैं. सो वी हैव h इज इक्वल टू नथिंग बट अ हैश फंक्शन. This hash function you are going to apply over the key so that you can get a location. When you get a location over there, you just place that particular key k for insertion. While searching, you do the same thing. What you do? You apply the same hash function and on the key for searching, and you just go to the location. If at the location you find the element, you say yes, it's present in the constant time, you can get it yes. Otherwise, you can say no. Very simple. Understood? Now see why this hash table or hashing technique is known as a data structure. Just because for data structure we need two things. One, storage. Second, some operations for the values. राइट? डेटा स्ट्रक्चर के लिए दो चीजें जरूरी है. मेरा फर्स्ट लेक्चर याद होगा आपको, मैथमेटिकल एंड लॉजिकल मॉडल. सो वी हैव स्टोरेज, यस वी हैव स्टोरेज हैश टेबल. वी हैव ऑपरेशन, यस हैश फंक्शन ऑपरेशन. सो hashing or hash table is, hashing technique is a data structure. Why? It consists two things. One is the hash table and another one is hash function. Together both the things will be called as data structure. I hope you guys are clear about this now. If you guys are clear about this, remember hashing is a searching technique which can provide result in constant time. Why? Just because it provides you or it gives you, it has a hash function. That particular hash function will be providing you the location where you will insert while inserting, and then where you will search while searching. Okay, got it? Now let's talk about hashing techniques. Different techniques have been given, but this particular third method, division method, you need to remember. Other than that, nothing you will have to remember. आपको याद कुछ नहीं रखना है. You will have to understand this mostly. What these methods are, how these methods will work, we will see one by one. Chali. Okay, now I will need your support. How? Why? Just because I am going to explain you some topics, and based on those topics you will have to explain me ki answer should be this or that or so on. First one is direct hashing. What direct hashing says that? Direct hashing says that the h of k result is nothing but k. Means if the key is 3, I'm going to keep that key 3 at location 3. If key is 16, I'm going to keep that on 16. If key is 18, I'm going to keep that particular key is at 18. Simple. Direct hashing, key is the location. Simple. Key is the location. Understood? Now few questions I will be raising and you will have to give me the answer. Suppose, for example, I have a hash table with location range. with location range 00 to 99 in decimal. Okay, अभी decimal की बात करते हैं easy में 00 to 99. Okay, now if suppose I want to store a value 123, can you store it? Can you store it 123? No. Why not? Just because I don't have any value, I don't have any location 123. No. Yes. So hash table with location range is this, then I would like to write a particular value. I would like to write a statement. The statement is I can store the values between 0 to 99 only. I cannot store value more than 99. I cannot store the value which is lesser than 99. Is it so or not? Is it so or not? Yes. So I am writing a statement. The keys are limited by location range. जो कीज आप स्टोर कर सकते हो वो लोकेशन रेंज की वजह से लिमिटेड है. ओनली 00 to 99 यू कैन स्टोर, अदर देन दैट नथिंग यू कैन स्टोर. Getting it? Getting it? Now, if you understood what is the direct hashing, very simple. You understood, if example I have taken 00 to 99, then I would like to write a statement here. Keys can be stored between 00 to 99. I hope you guys are understanding this. Right? Understood that? Now let's go next. Let us go next, which is subtraction method. If you understood this direct hashing, then you will be able to understand this also, subtraction method. Now what is subtraction method? बड़ा ही आसान है. What is this subtraction method? बड़ा ही आसान है. The subtraction method says that h of k is equal to k minus m. Some kind of integer. M is a chosen integer. आपने एक integer choose किया. That particular integer you will be subtracting from the key. That's it. Very simple. Very simple. Very, very simple. Yes. Fine. Understood that? If you understood this, let's take a very, very simple example. Let's take a very, very simple example. Suppose I am having a hash table with location range. Location range I am having 00 to 99, and hash function h of k is equal to k minus 4. Can you tell me you can store 1 here? Can you store 1 here? Key k equals to 1. Can you store 1 minus 4 minus 3? I can't. Can you store 6 here? 6 minus 4, 2, fine. So what kind of range of values, what kind of range of keys you can store here? The range of keys will be what? आपको आंसर देना है. The range of keys which you can store here is what? What? Range of keys which you can store is between 4 to 103. Are you agree with me? How? If you are going to store 4 minus 4, 0. Yes, location is 0 for 5, location 1 for 6, location is 2, up to 103, location is minus 4, 99. So range of the keys still limited? Yes, here also limited. So I am writing the range of keys, again limited by location range. I hope you guys are understanding this particular thing. I hope you guys are understanding this particular thing. Yes? Yes? Okay, fine. Let's go next. Let us go next. Here it is. Division method. If you put stars on the important ones, then you can fill up so many stars here. Just because this is only the method which has been used, will be used, and is being used most of the questions in most of the questions of your GATE computer science. सबसे ज़्यादा होगा. Okay, now what is the division method? This particular division method is known as modulo division method also. So this modulo division method says if we want to apply hash function on key k, then it will be equal to k mod m. Now what is this mod? Mod is nothing but that percentage operator from your programming language which gives you the what? Reminder? No, a remainder after the division. So mod is nothing but what? Remainder of division. It returns what? Remainder of the division. So when you divide k by m, what is the remainder? It will return. Understanding this, now let's try to understand it even in more detail. So if I am saying you are providing k mod m as the h of k, which is nothing but the location, then can you tell me, because of this, what can be the range of location you can have? Because of this k mod m, what can be the range of location you can have? Let's take a simple example. If I am saying k mod 10, k mod 10, after division of 10, can you tell me what is the location range I can get in the remainder? Can I get remainder 0? Yes. 1? Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Yes. 9? Yes. 10? No, I cannot get 10 as the remainder. So what is the location range after division of m? Tell me. Tell me. Range of location I can get is equal to 0 to m minus 1. Okay, now can you store any key in this type of division method? Is your value, is your key limited by location range? If I am having suppose location range 0 to m minus 1 only, then is there any kind of limitation because of this particular method on the key values? कि इतना ही की इतनी ही रेंज का की रह सकता है? No, not at all. No limitation over keys. Any key which you want, you can store in such kind of method. I am not asking how many number of keys. I am asking that which particular key you can store. Can you store value 1000, 5000, 6 lakh, 8 lakhs, 1000, 23? Any value you can store? Yes, any key you can store, just because this modulo division method or division method will reduce your key to a specific location. Any key to specific location. Are you all agree on this particular point that there is no any limitation over key? Key can be any value and you can insert that into this particular hash table if you have k mod m as or the modulo division method as the hash function. Fine. Fine. See, I am not talking about that what is your capacity. I'm not talking about that what is the capacity, how many number of elements you can store. I'm just asking you that if I will give you a key, will you be able to store that key in your hash table? Yes or no? My answer should be yes in this division method, no limitation at all. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now next is fold shifting. I would like to tell you one particular thing. Whatever the further methods I am going to tell you, all these methods will not have much more standards. So there are lots of assumptions involved in these. So if you want to use these hash functions in your any of the question or maybe any of their implementation practically, then you need to make more clear version of whatever I'm going to explain here. You will understand how exactly these work. Fine. Now, this particular fold shifting method works how? I will not be able to give you some example. I will not be able to give you some concrete mathematical formula, but I will give you an example how this fold shifting works. So let's take an example. Through example, we will try to understand. So let's say we have the location range in the hash table. Which is 0, 0 to 99. And let's see the key which I want to store is equal to 18612 okay, fine. Okay, let me make it even more smaller, that will be better. 4312. This is the key. Now tell me how many digits are there in the location range. 2 digits. So do one thing, just make the fold of 2 digits. Make the fold of 2 digits. I have done it. I have done it. 2. And now add all these folds. 12, then 43, then 18. $73. All these folds I have added, and this particular thing which you have got is the location. You will definitely get so many questions here. सर एडिशन का रिजल्ट 2 डिजिट से ज्यादा आता तो यहाँ पे एक ही डिजिट होती तो. Wait, I will tell you. If suppose you have a key like this, this is the key. Okay, now what does it mean? Location means this. See, if you have 00 to 99 locations like this, you go to location 99. You go to location 9, oh sorry, you'll go to location 73, and over location 73 you place this value 1, 8, 4, 3, 1 and 2. That is the meaning of getting the location. Apply the hash function. I applied, got the location, yes, 73. On the location 73 I will keep that particular key, so that while searching also I will use the same hash function. I will get the location, I will go to that particular location, I will get the key. Searching will also be very easy. Now key is this. What should I do? Take the fold of 2 digits, just because in my location range I am having 2 digits. 051692. Add this 3 1 113. Now 113, of course I don't have location range. Typically, to understand as a normal guy, I can say that discard this particular carry. Whatever the carry you are getting, discard it. The location you will be getting is 13. Location is equal to 13. But as a mathematics person, as a mathematician, ना इतना आसानी से नहीं जाने देंगे. We will try to understand its logic. So what exactly we are doing is, whatever the addition we are getting, that particular addition, over this particular addition I am applying another mod. by 100. Why mod by 100? So that I can get the range between 00 to 99, so that I can get the location between 0 to 99. So mod 100 will give you 13 anyway. If you understand mathematics, of course you can acknowledge this point. Understood this point? समझ में आया? So what exactly we are doing is, either you can understand, discard the carry, or take modulus by 100. You will definitely get only location 13. That is the fold shifting. Now there are so many different variants in this possible. What are the variants? I will tell you, don't worry. मैं बताता हूँ. Look at this. If suppose you have key is equal to 1 6 8, you can take the folds from right side, you can take the folds from left side also. There is no any standard. So आप बोलोगे सर क्वेश्चन आ गया गेट में तो, अरे नहीं आएगा. If they will ask any question from any kind of hash function or hashing technique, they will mention in the detail that how the hashing technique works. There will not be any name only that this is the name and just apply this. No, they will always give the hash function that this is the hash function, use it and get the answer. So you don't have to worry about that. आपको worry नहीं करना है. Okay, fine. So this is one of the method with which modulo division method also used. Suppose key is this one, you have two options. You can go with this 68 plus 1 69, or you have other option is this, that you will be adding 16 plus 8 24. So both the options are correct, depends on that how you have implemented your fold, how you are folding the key. That is totally implementation detail. You can choose whatever you want, you can implement and enjoy your implementation. Next is fold boundary method. This particular fold boundary method is also very interesting. In this also we gonna go with the folds itself. Fold तो बनाने ही बनाने हैं. अब ये fold boundary को कुछ special तवज्जो देंगे, special respect मिलेगी. क्या है बता देते. So let's take a simple example. Suppose you have a hash table with location range 0 0 to 99, same. And let's see, you have the key to store is this. This one. What you're gonna do is, you take the boundary folds. You have taken the boundary folds 1 6 and 8 0. You have taken 1 6 and 8 0, and whatever the middle fold you have 2 1, reverse and add 12. So this particular fold as it is, boundary fold as it is. So I am writing boundary folds as it is and reverse the middle fold. अब आप बोलोगे सर क्या है इस मेथड में, हम रिवर्स नहीं करें तो मत करो, फिर आपको रेगुलर वाला ही मिल जाएगा. Add this and you will get what? Same thing. 6 plus 2 8 8 0. Now 108 definitely not a location. Why? Just because it is out of range. What should I do? Again the same thing, mod 100, so that you can get the location range under the, or location in the range, which is 08. Now you will say sir मजा नहीं आ रहा है. Of course these methods are not so standard. These are some used methods to understand that what kind of exploration of creating the hashing technique can be. तो हैशिंग टेक्निक कहां तक पहुंच सकती है, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली वी आर जस्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट दीज काइंड ऑफ मेथड्स आल्सो पॉसिबल. दीज आर दी मेथड्स. नो, द Prime method which you should understand is this, just because this is the method mostly used, always used, and in multiple location, multiple purpose we are using it. If you all have studied cache mapping with me or anywhere, this division method hashing technique used there also. If we take any main memory address, we keep that main memory ka content into the cache memory, where that decision has been made by a hash function which is called as cache mapping. So you apply some kind of modular division method over there, and you place that particular main memory content into cache memory using that function only, so that while searching you can search to an appropriate location and you can get the data. So cache mapping is nothing but one of the prime example you can have in your computer science, computer organization architecture. Division method, you divide that particular main memory block number by what? Number of blocks in the cache in the direct mapping, number of sets in the cache in the set associative mapping, but you take this modular division method. Fine, chaliye. So in this also you may have multiple variants, same to same as this way. If you have the key which is getting you some single middle digit only or something, let's take another example. I hope I didn't go very deep in the concepts. Suppose this is your key. What you will do? Two folds you will take, 1 6 and 52. The middle fold, if you are reversing, middle fold is only 2. You can go either with 2 0, or in fact you can go with 2 only. Boundary folds you have, then this 2, addition it and you can get the answer. All the members who have joined us here, and if you are liking, enjoying the session, then please give a like over the session. Fine. Now there are few more variations. What kind of variations? Suppose you have a key like this, 1 6 9. Now which side this particular 6 should go? This side or this side? Problem? Yes, problem. You will take the boundary folds, right? Boundary 2 bits or 2 digits right side, 2 digits left side, but you don't have 2 digits each side. What will you do? Problem? Yes, so you can go either with 16 and 9, or you can go with 1 0 1 and 69. So folds you can keep like that. Yes, so there is actually no any much standards given, right? So what you need to do is, you don't have to bother about these standards, these methods, fold boundary and fold shifting and all. Do one thing, only understand this particular method, and always concentrate on whatever is given. Always in the question they will definitely give you the method. Don't worry about it. अब आप बोलोगे सर आपने पढ़ाया क्यों? Just because I wanted to give the idea that scientists have researched up to what level, and among those why this particular method is so popular. अब आप बोलोगे सर क्वेश्चन हमेशा डिवीजन मेथड से ही क्यों आते हैं एग्जाम में? उसके लिए आपको बताना जरूरी है कि देखो ये जो मेथड है वो इतनी खास नहीं है, उतनी अच्छी इफेक्टिव नहीं है. Actually, tomorrow we will be talking about this particular thing even in more detail, that how you can have a particular hash table or hash function. A hash function can be more effective. How? Why this is better and this is not better like this? We will talk about that tomorrow. Until that, let's continue this particular session. Digit extraction method. Again, there is another method which can have multiple variants. Okay, so many details, so much of detail is required to be given so that you can understand what is a digit extraction. Okay, chaliye, let's see what this digit extraction method is and how it works. So let's say example only I'll be taking. So Example is, let's say, location range is between 0, 0, 0 to 999. Let's say this is the range. Okay. Now, suppose we are providing the hash function like this, h of k is equal to k 1, 3, 4. It means extract digit number 1, 3 and 4 from key and form the location. सर नहीं समझा? अरे समझाते हैं, रुकिए तो सही, 1 मिनट समझाने दीजिए तो सही. Very good evening, Nishu. Very good evening. Okay, so if this is the h of k is equal to k 1, 3, 4, let's take a simple example. Suppose key is equal to 8, 4, 9, 6, 5, 1, 2. On this, if I am applying h of k, just extract first one, third one and fourth one digit. अब आप बोलोगे सर किधर से, लेफ्ट से कि राइट से? मैं बोलूंगा लेफ्ट से. सर आपका लेफ्ट कि मेरा लेफ्ट? if you got my point, there was a movie, okay, in which such kind of funny story has been occurred in Indian Hindi cinema. So let's say I am taking first one is this one, third one is this one and fourth one is this one. 652 is my this one. Now again, wait, there is no any standard. You can take from right side, or in fact you can get from left side also. First one, then third one and fourth one. Both are possible. This is from left, from right. Both are possible. So I have taken from right, I have taken from left also. Both are possible, both are fine. There is no any issue in that. Digit extraction method, ladies and gentlemen, in front of you. Hope you guys are understanding this. Can you acknowledge that till now everything is clear? Fine. Okay, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Before we go further, let me tell you one thing, that today whatever I am explaining you, based on that, tomorrow is the actual game day. This is just a warm up. This is just a warm up. You are just trying to explore that how the hashing technique can work. Tomorrow is the actual match day, where we will learn, abhi khatam nahi hua hai lecture, we will learn what? We will learn about the collision. We will learn about how these hashing techniques are implemented, and what is a clustering, then what is primary clustering, secondary clustering, and what are the load factors and space utilization, what is a perfect hashing, what is a uniform hashing. There are so many small things which we are going to learn tomorrow, and we are going to learn how to solve the questions based on this method. Okay, chaliye, next one is mid square method, another non-standard method. Why? Just because there are so many variants. What it says, suppose you have location range, 00 to 99. Then location range is 00 to 99, and suppose h of k is like this. Then h of k will be what? H of k is equal to, first of all, you take square of k, square of key k, and from that you choose middle two digits. Select middle two digits, that will be your location. That will be your location. अब आप बोलोगे सर ये क्या बात हुई? अब ऐसी ही बात है. चलिए, let me take some kind of small example. Suppose you have a key like this. 1862594 8, ये वाली की है. This is the key. Okay, so what will be the h of k? If you will apply h of k, I'm not going to calculate square of this, it's fine. So some digits, suppose थोड़े ज़्यादा बड़ा हो गया, छोटा कर लेते हैं इसको. 3 digits here, 3 digits here, and middle 2 digits you are having 56. Location is 56. Is just a random pick, okay? बोलोगे सर 56 तो आएगा ही नहीं इसके स्क्वायर में एंड ऑल. Don't worry, it's just the explanation I have given. So what you need to do is square of this. This is the square, this is the square. From the square of the number you have chosen middle 2 digits, answer is 56. Now you will say, sir, if middle digits only 1, then 1 will be the key. Suppose you have a particular value. Suppose the key is 15. What is h of k? 15 square ka middle. 15 square is how much? 225. What is the middle? Got it? Middle is 2. Single digit. So if you get only single digit in the middle, that is your location. Got it? अरे समझता कि नहीं समझता रे बाबा, बताया ना. So the thing is, again I am telling you once more, whatever the division method or modular division method is there, understand that and remember that. Remaining other methods you don't have to remember with the names, but we learned it so that we can understand that why these methods are not so popular and why that method is only popular just because it is more standard. Okay, fine. चलिए अब एक क्वेश्चन सिंपल सा. There is a question. Consider a key 37 to store in a hash table. Consider following hash functions and provide the location to store key 37 accordingly. So if we will choose hash function like this, then what will be the location where 37 will be stored? You tell me. चलो बताओ. For k mod 10, 37 mod 10 will be what? 7. Second one, k mod 9, 37 mod 9, 9 into something, 9 into something, 36, 36, 36, 1. 36 plus 1, 37, so 1 mod 9 is 1. Next, k mod 15, k mod 15, 37 mod 15, 15 divisible what? 30, 30 plus 7, so it should be 7. Direct hashing is 37 location. K minus 8, 37 minus 8, answer is 29. Got it? Got it? Good. Superb, people. Superb. Amazing. Good response. Nice. Superb. Chalo. Another question we have. Suppose which of the following is suitable hash function to store or to have a range of locations from 1 to 1000. If we want to have location between 1 to 1000, can you tell me which particular function will help? Okay, so let's try one by one what kind of location range each particular function can give us. Okay, so let me have a table kind of way here so that we can write down the answer for each and every one. Chalo. X mod 1000. X mod 1000. If you do 1000, option A will be giving you what location range? 0 to 999. Of course, which is not a correct answer. I want 1 to 1000. Wrong. Gaya. Khatam. Khalas. Kattas. B. X percentage 999, X mod 999 and then plus. So of course this mod will have more. If you know the precedence and associativity rule, then mod will be solved first. If you are solving mod by 999, what kind of range you can get by mod 999? Range you will be getting 0 to 998 and then plus 1. So range you can get minimum value 1 to 998 plus 1, which is 999. Oh, again not the correct one. Why? I wanted to have 1 to 1000. This is wrong. Next, first x plus 1, then mod 1000. If you go for x plus 1 first, x plus 1 is something, mod 1000. At the end, if you are doing mod 1000, then you will get the range between 0 to 999. You cannot get 1000 by taking mod 1000. Next one, you are doing x mod 1000, then plus 1. X mod 1000 if you are doing, then x mod 1000 gives you 0 to 999, then plus 1. So 0 plus 1, minimum value 1, 999 plus 1 is 1000. Yes, D seems correct, but we will check E also. So this is gone, D is correct. E, x mod 1000 plus 1. First of all, this is written in bracket, so I'll have to solve this one first. This says 1001. X mod 1001. 1001, if you are taking mod x mod 1001, then you will be getting as 1 or 0, 0 to 1000. Again not correct. I wanted to have from 1 to 1000. Wrong. So why this is correct? अरे क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछ लिया, देखो बता देते हैं हम. X mod 1000 first. X mod 1000 can give you location what? It can give you range between 0 to 999, and at the end after that plus 1. At the end after that plus 1. So 0 to 999 is the range, and then plus 1. What kind of value you can get? If you get minimum value after this mod 0, then plus 1 will give you 1. Maximum value if you are getting 999, then plus 1 will give you 1000. So B is or D is the correct answer. Got it? So we wanted to have 1 to 1000. We got the answer. Very simple. I hope you understood how these functions are working, each and every. These are the location range I have written for each and every function, so that you can understand exactly that how each and every option got eliminated. फाइन, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. आगे है कल का प्लान. टुमारो इज एक्चुअली टुमारो नॉट टुमारो, वी विल बी हैविंग नेक्स्ट सेशन ऑन मंडे इवनिंग. यस, मंडे 7 PM we will meet for this collision resolution, and based on that so many questions. I will bring all the questions possible for you to understand first, and after that we will be having one particular session in which I will bring all the PYQs of this session. So you don't worry about that. I will bring all the questions of GATE computer science which have been asked from collision and hashing, and I will solve and I will explain the collision resolution technique and other things also in the next session. So next session of course everything will not cover, but definitely we will do. अब आप पूछोगे सर मंडे के बाद कोर्स खत्म हो जाएगा, उसके बाद क्या? आफ्टर दैट आई विल रन अ PYQ series on COA and data structure on the same channel. I have already covered some lectures on the PYQs on this particular channel. You can check out the playlist. But if of course some topics are left, like in COA I have left microprogramming and all, DMA, IO operations and all, control unit questions, all these questions I will cover one by one, so that you will be having one stop solution of every question. Then data structure, for data structure also some topics are left, like BST, collision, hashing and all those also we will cover. So in this particular month end, you will have every single thing about this and this. Yes, tomorrow, Saturday, I am having a very special session at 12 p.m. That particular special session is 12 to 2 p.m. and this particular session will be some expected questions on data structure. So some 20-25 questions, maybe more than that, I have taken, and in those 2 hours we will try to solve those expected questions. You always demand na sir, और practice question चाहिए, और practice question चाहिए, ये लीजिए sir. Right? There is a question sir, hashing time complexity is big O of 1. निशु, ये एनालिसिस करेंगे हम कल, जब हम समझेंगे कि कोलिजन क्या है, और अगर कोलिजन आता है तो कितना आपको मिलेगा कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. So tomorrow I will discuss that what can be the complexity in hashing and in what scenario what complexity changes will be there. Remember tomorrow special session, and one more session I am having, that is on Sunday. Yes, on Sunday we are having under this particular channel, you can check it out. On Sunday 10 p.m. we are having a particular interview. Yes, an interview of a student who could score a good rank, decent rank in the GATE, could reach to IIT Kanpur, could go for a good interview in the IIT Kanpur also, and now he is placed with 31 lakh LPA, lakh per annum CTC. I will bring that fellow on this particular channel. You can ask the questions that what kind of preparation he has made during his end of this session, and what kind of scenario he has faced in the IIT Kanpur. Okay, fine. चलिए, तो जितने भी आपके क्वेश्चन हैं हैश से रिलेटेड, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आप कल के लिए रखें. मैं आपको डेफिनेटली बताऊंगा कि आप कैसे एग्जैक्टली वो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. हैश फंक्शन, कोलिजन क्या होता है, एंड सो ऑन, मल्टीपल थिंग्स वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट. Fine. चलिए, apart from that there are few informations which I want to share with you. One of the information is this, that we are having free special classes for all those GATE 22 and 23 aspirants. If you don't know about that, then go to this particular channel on Unacademy Telegram, Unacademy Gate CS. On this channel we have dropped lots of information about this. These are the free special classes on Unacademy's platform we are conducting to give you the subject wise strategy to prepare for GATE 22 and 23. So if you are preparing for GATE 22 and 23, go and check it out. 20 December onwards, the subject matter experts, the top educators will give you the introduction of each and every course, what is important, how is important, why is important, how to attempt those things, how to learn those things, and vice versa. Everything will be given. I will be having 2 sessions in this particular series. One is on 23rd December and another one is 25th December. And those 2 sessions are on Unacademy's platform at 4 p.m. So if you have friends who are willing to prepare for GATE, let them know that these are the absolutely free classes. Prepare a particular account, create an account on Unacademy's platform, either on Unacademy Learner app or unacademy.com. And to create the account, to unlock the free content, you will need a code. The code you're going to apply is this Vishvadeep10, so that you can get the content freely available for you. All these classes you'll be able to access freely. And this is the team which is working together for you guys. Complete package. These are the playlists which are already completed. You can just check out under this particular channel, so that you can learn more about the subjects in more and more deeper way. Computer organization architecture I have taught on this channel, 53 lecture series, beautiful lecture series you have, in which I have covered every single topic of computer organization architecture for GATE computer science in much needed detail. Go and check it out. If you want to be connected with us, you have the Facebook pages to be connected with us. And one more thing, if you have friends in other domain, of course you are having, let them know that we are providing quality education for other streams also. We have top educators of country for electrical, EC, IN on the Creatrix channel. We have for mechanical, this particular channel over there, top educators of country are teaching for mechanical and PIEXE. Then we have for civil Gate CE channel we have for computer science, this one your own channel, SSC JE, GS Terminal, Engineering Pathshala, so many channels are there. These channels are teaching, or these channels are providing you the quality education in your appropriate domain. This is your own channel, Unacademy Computer Science. This particular channel is providing you lot free content. We are providing lots of free content on the Unacademy's platform also. Both you take with both the hands, grab the opportunity, enjoy the learning experience. See this, you just subscribe the channel if you haven't, so that you can get the notification and other things. Enable your notification so that every time we take the classes you will get the notification. Share the playlist, videos, channel with all of your friends, with all of your connections. Keep liking the video if you are watching this particular lecture either in offline or in live mode. Keep learning, that is my favorite quote. Happy learning everybody. Thank you so much for joining. We will see you soon in the next class, which is at 8:15 p.m. on the same channel. Okay, so keep tuning in on the channel. Enjoy learning. We will see you soon. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.